Hey there, everybody. I need your help. Can you help me, please? So, my account has been stuck on 950,000 followers for around 2 years, and TikTok won't let me get to 1 million followers. So I was wondering if you could share, like, comment, I want to see if TikTok is actually going to let me get to 1 million followers. Like, it's ridiculous. I don't know why it's not letting me just go. It's just too long to be sitting at 900. It'll get up to I don't know, I suppose 980, 990, but it won't go. So babes, if you could do me a favour, this is another thing. I'll talk about this in a minute, but I just want to get to that 1 million mark. I don't think I can because I don't think TikTok's letting me. And I think that it's I don't know what it is. I don't know why. So I just want to try. So if you've seen this video, please comment, share, post it out, repost it, save it, favourite it. Just want it to bloody well go so that I can actually try hit 1 million. Now this... Can you see there? Apparently, I had my live access removed when I was 1 year old. What is that? At 1 o'clock in the morning, no less. On the 1st of January. I would have been I'd been 3 months old. I mean, it's a joke. I should say I wasn't even born. But I was born. And so, I'm in a bit of a quandary. So I can't get to 1 million followers. I want to see if I'm not paranoid and that I can actually get there. So if you'd like to help me, I would love it. Please, could you help me, please? I really, really, really want your help. I have my fingers and toes crossed. I'll catch you soon.